We're moving in. It is such an exciting time on campus. You see our new students, our incoming Dragons with their family members. We have our move-in crew so that families and students can really focus on getting to know the campus as opposed to having to move their boxes into their rooms. We got things going on all over campus. Of course, up here at the residence halls, we also have the resource fair and the recreation center. It's just such a wonderful day. It's beautiful outside. Our campus has come to life. It's a great kickoff to our welcome week, and we're really excited to have our new students and family members here on campus with us.
I wanted to study fashion design, but I also wanted a really strong academic background, and I feel like Drexel had both. And I loved the atmosphere, and I just knew when I got here that it was the right place.
I think it's absolutely awesome. I've known about Drexel for years, never had any idea that my daughter would end up being a student here, so this is exciting.
Welcome week, I plan to do as much as possible. I saw events at the athletic facility, want to do stuff there, and then yeah, here and there I'll go all around. I'm ready to move.
We're here at the Franklin Institute welcoming our new Dragons to Philadelphia and to Drexel. We have over 3,000 students here with us tonight, and we're just really excited to welcome them with the social kickoff of the year.
I love Welcome Week. I love meeting everyone from all over the world, literally, and just making a lot of new friends. It's a blast.
Welcome Week has been an amazing experience, as well as seeing new friends that I've connected with.
Congratulations to the largest freshman Drexel class. It's going to be a good year. As a first year RA, I'm excited. We're all excited. Go Dragons.
We're freshmen. I hope everyone has a great freshman year.